Vijim K7 keylight is a replica of Elgato Keylight Air, which is targeted at users who do online video streaming and virtual meetings. K7 offers 80% of the same features as Elgato but at less price. For reference, Elgato is priced at $100 and by some sellers even more. On the other hand, Vijim K7 comes at $56 on AliExpress, which offers worldwide shipping at a very minimal cost. However, wait times apply. You will miss app-based color temperature control and voice commands, but the build quality is good enough. You can adjust the height. The max is 73 cm and the minimum is 23.5 cm excluding the base height. Let's unbox this thing. The specs are on the screen if you're interested in knowing that. The packaging is pretty simple. You get the key light, metal base, USB-C cable, extendable pole with ball head and the user manual. The quality of the panel light is good all around. The back has a nice 3D texture with an on-off button and two knobs, one for controlling color temperature and another one to increase or decrease the brightness. There are heat dissipation vents on 4 sides to prevent the light from getting heated. Do note that it is a USB-C powered light and does not have an internal battery. So that is something to be kept in mind should you consider buying this. The round metal base comes with an anti-slip rubber padding and is heavy enough to keep it stable on your desk. The extendable pole has a matte finish and has a ball head on one end to fit the light. The bottom of the pole connects to the base with just one screw. The overall pole build is plasticky. The ball head has a circular motion to adjust the angle of the light. It is convenient as you can also use it at night as a table lamp. The fully extended pole measures 73 cm without the base height. The extension is firm and does not droop down by the weight of the light. There are no side controls to hold the extension in position. The only challenge is the length of supplied USB cable depending on how far is it from your USB power source. The package comes with an Allen wrench and a screw, so you don't have to look for your toolbox. The assembly is very simple and quick. You have to first connect the pole to the base with the help of the screw provided. You can also connect this light to any stand which has a ball head matching the screw size. Otherwise, you can connect it to the provided stand and adjust the angle to your liking. Once it is done, this is how it looks on my desk, as I do not like to face the light directly, but you can also position it behind your monitor. At the back, this knob controls the brightness and this one is for setting the color temperature with clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. When the color temperature is set to the full warm position, then this is how it looks like with brightness set to full. And this is how the fully warm light looks in its lowest brightness setting, which is ideal if the room is not completely dark. And as for the white light, this is how it looks in its max and minimum brightness setting. And that's all for this video. If you would like to support my efforts and channel, then please consider subscribing to it so I can continue to create more contents. Until next time, bye and take care.